Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yo, just kidding. I would never talk to y'all like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're actually just doing a simple look as on the face. This is what we did in today's tutorial. So if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let's start watching. Okay, so the first thing I always put on is my moisturizer, and I use this moisturizer like it's my freaking Bible. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and then I will be back. Let's do my eyebrows, and I do them usually off camera just because like I have not had the time to like get them done. And I did want to try out this mascara. Is it worth the hype? From NYX Cosmetics. Like, is it really worth the hype? Also, yesterday I was supposed to go swimming with my best friend, and we planned to go, I said at 6, right? So I'm waiting in my bathing suit. I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
While I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm literally waiting there in my
cuss word
bathing suit. I get no text or call from her, and I'm like, okay, like, am I being stood up by my own best friend? Okay, so was it really worth the hype? Yes. So now I'm gonna be going into my Lash Pop lashes that I always freaking use. I'm gonna buy new ones. I usually use like lashes till they like really wear out, and they're in the style Sin Nudes, I think. The hour passes by, and it already passes by at 2 hours and 45 minutes. And she finally texted me back, and she's like, sorry, like I couldn't go, like I had to do this. And I'm like, sis, I was waiting in my bathing suit. You could have told me something. Okay, I put the lashes on, and you can obviously leave it like this if you want. I'm not. So now I'm gonna be going in with my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Peach Perfect in the shade light beige. I always start with dots because I can put it everywhere. And I always use a beauty blender to bounce that shit in your face. Of course, and if you don't know what this concealer is, what are you doing? Because I always say this in all my tutorials. This is the Maybelline Anti-Age Rewind in the color light.
Well, this is awkward. My audio turned off. How about a joke? So if I farted in my wallet, does that mean I have gas money? Let me know in the comments down below. Love you.
So now I'm gonna be taking my Avon Flawless Loose Powder, and I usually put a face powder, and then I'll use my translucent powder for my highlight area. So let's do that. But I do usually use a face powder and a translucent powder. Okay, now that I have put the face powder, I usually bronze first, and then I put the translucent powder. It makes the way I do it look good. I'm gonna be using the same bronzer that I always use. I usually use up everything to its got, and then I'll buy new stuff because stuff is expensive. Also, I don't know if y'all have seen my video, the one where I asked people how they feel about Trump. I want to, I was thinking of doing that video, but part 2 in San Antonio. Let me know what y'all think, because I kind of really want to do it. Because since it's San Antonio, there's people like here that are obviously Latinos and Latinas just like me. And they know how they feel about stuff like that with Trump. So I kind of want to do that. So let me know what y'all think. And now that we put our bronzer, I'm going to be putting my translucent powder in the shade Translucent from Airspun directly under the eye. Okay. And now let's go on with the highlight. The Morphe palette, but where is it? This shade right here. The really white shade as the highlight. Mario Badescu setting spray. Just put I wasn't going to anyways. So after we put our first highlight on our first round, I take my Mario Badescu setting spray and I spray my face, and then I add the final highlight and then set it one more time since it's summertime, and then add a little bit of gloss, and then and this is the finished look. I'll give you a close up. Now this is just a simple look that I did for you guys because I know y'all, sometimes people always ask me to like to do simple looks, and I'm like, okay, because not everybody does eyeshadow. So although this might not be like simple because I added a lot, but I didn't do eyeshadow because if I were to add eyeshadow it would have been more glam that I didn't want this video to look like. So this is the final look.
Okay, queen, give it to me. Give me that smile. Show me those pearly whiteys. Whip. Nene. Oh.
This is the final look. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you don't see me on YouTube, you will see me obviously on Snapchat and Twitter the most because those are my two favorite ones. There will be tons of videos to come more. I have all these ideas cooking. I just have to find the right people to do them with. And please like my other video that was released, I think last week. Yeah, it was last week. Please give that video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye.
Your bitch like I'm half dirt.